Greetings. Welcome to the Grow Garden Project. Boys and girls, I'm the Agriman. The feed the world is my master plan. Today, we're doing soil prep. Now, it is important for you to note what are the components of good soil. So today, we have laid out for you the major components that would be in any good soil mix. So we want to deal with the first component, which is your soil. Now this is topsoil, and topsoil is basically that top layer of soil that you would see when you look out at any piece of grassy area. That part that makes that connection with that grass, that soil, yeah, that's your topsoil. Next we have animal waste. In this case, this is goat and sheep manure. Now some of the most widely used manures would be cow, goat, sheep, chickens, rabbits. That's your top 5 there. We also have some rotten wood, which is decomposed, leave to rot, and that would be manure as well. Because think about this tree, that over the period of time gather all the energy it requires, grow big and strong, and die. Energy is still within that tree there. So as it decomposes to make back that soil, bam, very important. These two gentlemen here, sawdust or wood shavings and sharp sand. Sharp sand is used to help with the porosity of the soil. And that basically means to make sure that the soil is able for that water to run through unhindered without problems. This guy here, your sawdust, is a bulking agent that gives a substance to your soil. So if you're looking at a circle, half of that circle would be your soil. Quarter would be your manure, and the other quarter would be these gentlemen here. So look at your circle, half soil, quarter manure, quarter bulking agent. Bram, that is you there. And of course your next thing would be getting it mixed thoroughly so that you could see all the particles at a first glance. You're going in. No tools, no problem. It is important for you also to get one with the earth. Touch of it after a couple of times, you start feeling what good soil feels like. So if I want to take a handful of the soil, when I squeeze it together, you would see that at this point kind of sticking together. But it can mix properly here. Because what we want to get is when we crumble it like this, you see particles still falling, getting in. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, that is about what we're looking for. Very important. So guys, there you have it. Soil mix made simple. It's important that we start to think about not oil and gas, but soil and grass. Because soil is the new oil, and grass is the new gas. Agriman.